Good morning, boys and girls. So we are going to continue today working on multiplying fractions and whole numbers. Today you have a worksheet entitled Ferris Wheel Fractions. And as you can see on that first Ferris wheel, you are going to be able to leave your answers today as improper fractions. If you choose to still convert them into mixed numbers, I would strongly encourage that. And then just let me know and we can go through those answers together. Also, if you choose to simplify, that is great as well. Looking at your first Ferris wheel of that 3 times Ferris wheel, one of them is already done for you with the 3 times, and it moves into the 2/3, and then it gives you your answer of 6/3. Again, if you want to simplify it or convert it, that's great. If you choose to, that would equal 2 wholes. You do not have to today. You will have to do that for the remainder of the week though. Moving on to the next one on our Ferris wheel, we're going to have 3 times 6 sevenths. Based upon what we talked about yesterday and what I've seen, a lot of us are choosing to use the over 1 strategy, which is totally fine. If you would like to still use the repeated addition strategy, you're more than welcome to. You should get the same answer. Looking at our over 1 strategy, 3 times 6, just multiplying straight across, it's going to give us 18. 1 times 7 is going to give us 7. So like we talked about yesterday, whichever strategy you use, when you're multiplying fractions and whole numbers, your denominator is never going to change unless you need to simplify. Moving on to our next one of 3 times 5 elevenths. Again, putting that whole number over 1 to multiply straight across. 3 times 5 is going to give us 15. 1 times 11 is going to give us 11. So 15 elevenths would be your final answer for that one. Going around the Ferris wheel of 3 times 4 sevenths. Again, putting that whole number over 1. 3 times 4 is going to give us 12. 1 times 7 is going to give us 7. So 12 sevenths would be your final answer for that one. And then the last one on this Ferris wheel is 3 times 1/2. Again, put that whole number over 1. 3 times 1 is 3. And then 2 times 1 is going to give us 2. So 3 halves would be your final answer for that. Again, you can leave your answers as improper. If you'd like to continue working on the strategy of converting them into mixed numbers, I would strongly encourage that. And then just let me know when you're done and we can go through those answers together. You are now going to continue working on your 4 times, 5 times, 6 times, and 7 times Ferris wheels. As you can see on top, there is a bonus for you to multiply the 3 times Ferris wheel, the one that we just did, by 8 and then by 9. That is not a requirement, boys and girls. However, I would still encourage that you do it. Just keep working on the strategy as well as working on your times tables. Let me know when you're done with these answers and filling out the Google form with your answers, and we can go through and check those together.